Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF with a common access card. Before we begin, gather your essential tools: your active common access card, a functional CAC reader, and a PDF application capable of digital signatures, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader. Make sure your CAC reader is securely plugged into your computer. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful signing experience, allowing you to authenticate your documents efficiently and reliably. To prepare your system, first install the correct drivers for your Common Access Card reader. You can typically find these on the manufacturer's website or through your organization's IT support channels. Next, download and install any required middleware, such as Active Client, which helps your computer communicate with the card. A quick restart of your computer after these installations is always a good practice. It ensures all the new software components are properly integrated and ready to function. With your system prepared, open the PDF document you need to sign in your preferred viewer. Look for the digital signature tool, which is usually found under a Tools or Certificates section in your applications menu. Click on the option to digitally sign the document, and the software will guide you through selecting your Common Access Card certificate. You will then be prompted to enter your Common Access Card PIN to authorize the signature, ensuring its authenticity and security. Once you have entered your PIN, a signature field should appear on your PDF, confirming the successful application of your digital signature. To verify its integrity, simply click on this new signature field within the document. This action will display the signature properties, allowing you to confirm the signer's identity and the validity of the certificate. Finally, save your document, perhaps with a slightly different name, to ensure the signed version is securely stored and easily identifiable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.